everyone. In this video, I will show you earn money with NoteGPT AI. So it's easy to create an account, just connect it with your Google, or if you have email, then email and password. And this is what it looks like. Here you will see AI YouTube. You can also see here AI transcriber, and there is also AI summarizer, AI voices, AI images. There's also AI video, AI chat, and more. So basically, there are lots of ways on how to earn money with this tool. So, for example, if you wanted to create or planning to have your own YouTube channel, then basically you can create content, videos, and you can post it to your YouTube channel. So, for example, if you want to create or if you want to remake another video from another source, all you have to do is to just paste the link right here, and then YouTube will summarize all the information from that source, from that video. And then what you're going to do next is you can just basically create another content from this summary. So for example, this one right here. So as you can see, the all informations are on the left side, while the summarized version is on the right side. And from here, you can create another video or you can create another content from this summarized version. Then, after posting, all you have to do is to wait till your channel monetized. There's also this free AI video summarizer. It's from another video, so all you have to do is to upload, and then a NoteGPT will just automatically summarize everything in there. Also, aside from that, they have here PDF or image summarizer tool. So if you have your article, if you want to post an article or if you want to summarize an article from another source, all you have to do is to basically upload it right here. Now, if you are a writer and want to summarize your work before posting to your blog site, just paste it right here. Aside from that, there is also this text to speech, AI voice generator, and so on. So basically, there's also this AI image generator. If you want to generate an image or video, just get a correct prompt. You can ask ChatGPT for that and then paste it right here. Also, if you want to generate or create a video for your TikTok, for your Instagram, for your YouTube, and monetize it later, all you have to do is to get that specific prompt and then paste it right here. There's also this agent slides. You can explore to that. You just have to paste the text right here, AI chat, if you want to learn more or if you have any questions. And if you are an article writer or if you have blog site, and then you can use this AI writer, which I'm going to talk or explain later. Now, if you want to have or try this affiliate program, also NoteGPT has this affiliate program. All you have to do is to join. So just add your email right here and then earn commissions. All you have to do is to promote this tool in your YouTube, in your blog site, your WordPress, and so on. If you have other programs or websites, all you have to do is to include this NoteGPT, the link of their affiliate, and then promote this. Then you will earn commission. So again, for example, if you wanted to start, then you can ask the following, like how I summarize YouTube videos with AI, best AI study tools for students, and so on. So once you have your topic to create for your video, all you have to do here is to just basically explore. So for example, if you have your prompt already, just generate it right here. You can just basically um, download the finished product or the generated video. But in my case, I cannot do that because I'm just using the free version. So after that, once you have your video with you, then you can just basically edit it using CapCut or Canva if you want to add more. Or you can just basically post it to your site and then just have to wait till you get monetized. Now, aside from that, as you can see, there are more tools right here that you can use later for your site to earn money. Now, talking about, like what I mentioned earlier, this AI writer right here. For example, if you have your WordPress, if you have your Squarespace, if you have your site where you can create or show or post your articles or your artwork, then you can just basically go to AI text summarizer. If you want to summarize a specific story or article. So, for example, if you think that it's too long, then you can use this one right here to summarize everything, especially if it's like for children. Let's just say you want to create an ebook for children, which you're going to post on your site, your WordPress, or maybe to your Gumroad if you're familiar with that. All you have to do is go to Canva, create an ebook right here. This is what it looks like. And basically, go to template, look for children story. You can see here a lot of template that you can use. All you have to do is to change like the title. You have to copy and then paste to your Canva. For designs, there are tons of elements here and templates, objects that you can use. All you have to do is to paste your story, or if you have your article with you, just paste it right here, add background elements, change everything here. And then once you're done, you can just basically share this as PDF. And then you can go to Gumroad if you have your Gumroad, post it, post a product, then basically just wait for customers or clients to buy this. So that's what it looks like. Okay, just go to product, tap on products right here. It's easy to create Gumroad, just email address or link it to your Google. Add the name of your product right here, tap ebook, add the price, and then just tap on next. All you have to do is to add the information needed here. And then once done, then basically you can publish this to your Gumroad account. Your client or customer can view this and purchase this ebook. So this is just one of the many ways on how to earn money using a NoteGPT AI. So you can also do this if you have your blog site. Okay, just paste an article. So this one is indeed very helpful if you want to summarize or if you want to organize everything. Aside from that, there's also this voice um, summarizer, okay, PDF summarizer. And there are a lot of things that you can use, and you can basically create in the help of this Note GPT. So these are just a few ways of how to earn money. So you can explore if you want to generate images, generate for video. So all you have to do again is to just paste the correct prompt right here, and NoteGPT AI will generate the video for you. However, I cannot do that because I'm just using the free version. So basically, that's it. Just download the finished product, post it to your site, and then wait till you get monetized. And basically, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.